Bacteria have a specific membrane protein complex called BAM that is responsible for inserting other proteins into the membrane. To insert these other proteins into the membrane, BAM destabilizes the membrane around it and dynamically changes its own shape from an open to a closed state. In normal circumstances, it's mostly open. You can see this open state here with a seam running along the side of the barrel. But to start the membrane insertion of a target protein, it sometimes needs to briefly close the barrel, as you can see here. This opening and closing behavior of the BAM complex is crucial for bacteria to survive. Scientists at the Astbury Centre have been studying how BAM opens and closes. They have found that even when the BAM seam is stapled shut, it still tries to open and close itself. It's only when you add an additional antibody that you can fully lock BAM in a single shape. It's vital for bacterial survival that their BAM complex is able to open and close, inserting other proteins into the membrane. These results show the effects of locking BAM into a single shape. This work can lead to new insights for developing novel antibiotics.